Hi guys, today I'm going to be making for you all lamb over rice, and this recipe was inspired by my recent vlog and my recent trip to the Halal guys. If you haven't had their food, I recommend it. So to make this, we're going to start with lamb. You can use chicken or beef, whatever you like, and I'm going to season this lightly with salt to taste. Next, I'm going to go in with a piece of fresh ginger. And also I'm going to grate in some garlic. Next goes in some green seasoning. Next I'm going to go in with some black pepper. Some cayenne pepper. Some cumin powder, which is jeera seeds that have not been roasted. Some paprika. Gonna mix that in. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of soy sauce just to add some more color and flavor to this lamb. Next, mix and allow to marinate for about half an hour. After it finished marinates, we're going to put our pot on medium heat, and to that pot I'm going in with some CGA lemon infused coconut oil. If you can't find this oil, you can use regular oil. Once the oil comes up to temperature, add in the lamb pieces, and we are going to cook the lamb and sear it until it's tender. You'd want to cover it to allow it to cook properly, but you don't want to overcook the lamb because it can get tough. So once the lamb is finished, you want to taste it and adjust your salt, and then dish this out and set it aside. To the same pot, we're going to cook the rice in this same pot. So I already soaked my basmati rice ahead of time. You want to soak it for at least half an hour and place that rice inside the pot. You want to toast this rice for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going in with some yellow food coloring. If you don't want to use this, you can use some turmeric or some saffron powder or even saffron threads. Mix, make sure it has a perfectly yellow color or to your liking. Now I'm going in with some jollof rice seasoning. Add that and mix. That rice seasoning really gives this rice dish some good flavor. Next, we're going to add enough water to cover the rice. So you want to cover the rice with that water and cover the pot and allow that rice to cook until it's tender. Once it's finished, this is what it would look like. You don't want it to be mushy, so make sure you don't add too much water. All you have to do is taste and adjust your salt, and then your food is ready to be plated. So you place a bed of that yellow rice, and to the rice we're going to top it with our lamb because it is lamb over rice. And then you put in your other condiments. You put in your salad, which are your chopped tomatoes and your chopped lettuce, and then you garnish or you drizzle some barbecue sauce, some hot sauce, and some garlic sauce over the lamb. Guys, this recipe was so delicious. My husband was asking for seconds. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. All of the sauces, well, the garlic sauce, the recipe can be found on my channel. Please remember to like and share this video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.